Hey guys! Today we're going to be doing a demo of Motionics WiMER6 transmitter. That's short for Wireless Measurement Read Series 6. It is a wireless Bluetooth low energy transmitter that can connect to LVDTs, so that way you can read, record, and save measurements from the LVDT on your iPad, your iPhone, Android device, or your Windows PC. We have an LVDT here to demo the unit. It works with most standard LVDTs, although if you're concerned about compatibility, feel free to contact us. We have an iPad here, so that way you can see the software, and of course we have the gauge itself. It's a pretty sturdy enclosure. It has a mounting bracket on the back. It has a charging port for a rechargeable battery. It also comes with charging accessories. It has a power button, so we can turn that guy on. And on this side, we have a port that you can use to connect to the gauge. It comes with, as I said, it comes with charging accessories, and if you want to be able to connect to our Windows software, you'll need to also add a BLE USB dongle, so that way you can connect to that. Speaking of connecting, let's connect this guy to our gauge. All right, and now readings from the LVDT are being transmitted via Bluetooth. So if we turn on our software, go to New Measurement, and go to the pairing page, then we can pair with the WiMER device. MultiGauge has a bunch of different features that I'm not going to be going over in this video. You can connect to multiple sensors at once. You can do plotting. There's a custom calculator you can use. We have a playlist that shows a bunch of the different features I would highly recommend you check out. But I can just show you the basic functionality here. So at the moment, you are seeing the readings displayed live on the dashboard. You can change the interface, and you can also record readings as well. So right now, in single capture mode, so every time that you press this button in the software, it will take a reading. And if you change to continuous mode, you can set a sample rate up to 30 samples per second, and it will basically take a reading at that rate continuously. You can do a live plot. As I said, there's a lot of features we're not going to be going over in this particular video, but what you can do is once you're done recording, you can hit the record button again and save your readings according to plant and machine, which you can then access later from the measurements page. You're able to export them, plot the results, and again, just do a lot with that data, use a lot of the different features of MultiGauge, which again, you can see in our other videos. So this particular WiMER unit, WiMER6, does not have a hand switch or a trigger switch, so you are only able to capture readings while in the software. But if you're using our Windows software, then you can purchase a separate unit, which is a wireless trigger switch, which is a handheld switch that you can press to capture without hitting the capture button in the software. Again, this is compatible with most of our, this is compatible with all of our MultiGauge software, including MultiGauge Windows, MultiGauge Android, MultiGauge iOS, as well as MultiGauge Cloud, which is our cloud-based, browser-based software that allows you to connect this to a gateway so you can take readings entirely remotely. And you can also set notifications or alarms for readings falling out of threshold, and there's a bunch of other features on that as well. I'd recommend checking out more information on our website. Thank you.